You've been involved in a car accident here in New York, and now you want to know who to sue, when to sue, or what to sue for. Would you like to know the answer? Come join me. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski, a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. First, let me take off my jacket. I just got back from a black tie wedding, and I've been wearing this tuxedo all day, but I just want to make myself comfortable. So let me explain to you some of the things you need to know if you've been involved in a car accident here in the state of New York. One of the most important things that you have to know is who you're going to sue. Well, first thing you have to know is that you may actually have to sue the driver of the car that you were in. There we go, now it's a bit more comfortable. You have to sue the car that you were in if you were a passenger. You may have to sue the driver of the car that hit you. You may also have to sue a municipality or a state because there may have been a hazard in the roadway that may have caused or contributed to your accident. So after you get past the question of who to sue, the question then becomes, well, when do you sue? Well, in New York, here's what you need to know. You have only 30 days, and by the way, I should tell you that as of today, July 15, 2012, you have only 30 days in which to file a claim with your no-fault insurance in order for you to take advantage of getting your medical bills paid for. Now, separate and apart from that, you have only 3 years in which to file a lawsuit against the people who caused your injuries. And that's only as of today, July 15, 2012. Now, I have to tell you, if you're watching this a day later, a month later, a year later, you cannot rely on that information. Why not? Because the laws change and the time limits may have changed. So the only true way to know whether or not your case is timely is to pick up the phone and call me so I can tell you how much time you have within which to bring a case for your accident. Now, what do you sue for? One of the things that you sue for is known as pain and suffering. The pain that is caused by somebody else's carelessness or negligence from the time of the accident up until the time of trial. That's known as past pain and suffering. And then we have to project and figure out exactly what your problems are from the time of trial for the foreseeable future. There are economic losses to consider. If you are working and are unable to continue your job for a period of time, then we can calculate how much money and income you lost as a result of being out of work. So why do I tell you about this? Because chances are you may have been involved in an accident and are looking for an attorney. Well, if you have legal questions and your matter happened here in the state of New York, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call. I answer legal questions like yours every single day. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks so much for watching.